here. Yeah, there's a few little cobwebs, but it's okay. This is the 1958. Now, you'll see a lot of these here where they will go put undercoat underneath of them. You don't really know what you're getting. This is what would be called just surface rust, right, Ron? Not rust, it's normal. Okay.
This car was never undercoated.
Never undercoated, and from what I understand from the estate garage cap. So I mean that's why it's as nice as it is.
Of course.
Frame on this thing is gorgeous. The tire, let me get over here. The tires are coated 14, so the tires are Coker Classics from 14.
They ain't got 1,000 miles on them by looking at them.
1,000 miles roads. Here's a big deal that we see on a lot of cars where, now these are all the original floor pans and they're gorgeous. Understand that this camera's shooting a lot of light, so it picks up all of the surface rust on here, but you'll see that there is absolutely no rust on the braces. That's almost not normal, is it? To have it this nice.
I've never seen one that didn't have something on it.
Yeah. See these braces? Unbelievable. Unbelievable condition. It's had new exhaust put on it at some time. No, you know, the motor under there shows just natural, I guess, I don't see any leaks really.
Don't leak anything. That's from greasing it.
From greasing it and taking care of it, which is nice. The cross members on this here, unbelievable. And a lot of them would all rust out. All of these here, even on the passenger side, usually, you know, you'll see the braces rusted out. But I don't see that. This has not been power washed, it's been greased. The front has been greased here. You can see where it's been greased on the front end.
New shocks, new pinion seal.
New shocks, new pinions, and you did something here. You replaced a pinion seal, okay.
Sealed the rear end, it was sealing.
Okay, so the rear end needed to be sealed. Anyways, this is the underneath shots of this 1958 Fleetwood non-doctored up car. In other words, a lot of people will show 10 cans of undercoat and say it's great. This is the real deal, guys and gals. You can see even the original rubber pieces that kept the exhaust insulators from vibrating.
And
now this was a air ride suspension, but the older fella had some problems with it and had it replaced with natural coilovers and shocks. Is that right? Is that what he said? Okay. Yeah. So if you wanted to, you could put that in, the air ride suspension, but it is all done factory. It was an option and it has been done back to what the option was with less trouble. And that would be coilovers with shocks.
And all these parts are still here. See, this pipe's supposed to be up in this hole here,
okay,
which normally always rusted out.
Okay.
He put this down years ago so the exhaust doesn't rust out your tail.
Okay, so that's why the bumper looks like a brand new bumper still.
Exactly.
Yeah. And you know, I thought that the chrome bumper was rusted, but this isn't. This is the license plate. I didn't realize that. Okay. So the bumper on this, the chrome on this is just phenomenal.
That's all original. Nothing's been recropped.
Yeah, and the moldings, when you look at the moldings, they're that nice. That is not normal on a car. I mean, understand there's the littlest tiny ding here. There's a few little dings on some of this here, but hardly noticed. Of course, it's up in the air. We're at 6 foot level here. You can see how nice the wheels are for original. These are the original wheels, the original bumpers here. You see? I would say this is all original chrome. This looks like it's been
nothing's been replated that I.
You can see there's just a little bit of that,
up
just
on curbs.
Yeah, up on curbs and stuff like that. But the chrome on it's beautiful. And this is a beautiful original 1958 Cadillac Fleetwood that has near perfect moldings. Like I said, on the bottom of these moldings, you're going to have some little, and there's a little crease right there. You're going to have some areas that could be polished and cleaned, but it's about as nice as you're going to get. I mean, this is really so very nice. And, you know, Ron, another thing that I have not seen, which is almost not normal on these old cars, the drip railing, there's no rust up in there on the drip rail. That's just awesome. Okay, guys and gals, you're